Happy holidays! My family and I got a new puppy and they are adorable. My parents specifically told my tito that they wanted a boy dog. We named him Zuko from Avatar. But I was suspicious. I had him stay in my room the next night so I could watch over him and you you pee funny for a boy. So naturally, I told my parents. Babae naman ata to si Zuko. Paupo siya umihi. Diyan? Di niya pa kasi kaya taas yung leg niya. Sure. Then later that day, my dad tried to find Zuko's Pride and Prejudice. And he couldn't find any. So tama ako. The end. Congratulations on your transition, Zuko. Welcome to the world, Azula.